Kubernetes is an open-source application widely used for automating the deployment, scaling, and management of a software. If you're a developer working for a DevOps team, Kubernetes will help you to deploy and manage your software project on time. In this tutorial, I will show you how to install Kubernetes on Ubuntu version 22.04 using the microk8s package, which is designed to work on any Linux distribution. So let us begin. First, you have to go to your terminal and run the command sudo apt update. For this, you have to type your password. After running this command, your system will update its package repository cache. To install Kubernetes on your Ubuntu system, you need to install microk8s package first. To do so, run the following command: sudo snap install microk8s --classic. This can take some time to install all the packages, but I have installed it before. In order to access Kubernetes, run the following command: the output in the terminal shows that the status is ready. To check the running services of microk8s on your Ubuntu system, run the following command: this shows the name, type, cluster IP, external IP, ports, and age of the running service on your Ubuntu system. In order to verify the installation, let us check the version of installed Kubernetes on our system. The output in the terminal shows the client version of Kubernetes on our Ubuntu system. Now you're one step closer to your deployment.